Welcome to my YouTube channel APSACS Syllabus. Today we will learn about world of communication, how we connect, share ideas and build relationships. Stay tuned to learn why communication is the key to success in every part of life. So let's start. Topic communication, page 10 to 14. Descriptive question 2. Explain in detail any three means of communication. Answer. Mobile phone. Mobile phones are the most popular means of communication in the world. It is also used as a calculator, diary or alarm, making videos, taking pictures, saving information. Internet. Internet is a vast network that connects computer and device around the world. Computer. Computer is the fastest and easiest means of communication. The communication system play an important role in the development of any country. Timeline of telephone. 1876, telephone developed by Alexander Graham Bell. 1879, developed by Thomas Edison. 1891, dial telephone invented. 1927, first transatlantic phone call. 1947, first mobile phone invented. 1973, Motorola invented. 1992, first smartphone invented. What are the disadvantages of conflict? Disadvantages of conflict. Conflict are the reason of stress and unhappiness. It breaks the friendship. It causes restlessness due to which people make unwise decisions. Question number 2. Why is discussion is important to resolve conflicts? Answer. Discussion and proper communication is important to solve conflicts because without it, problems cannot be solved. Question number 3. Explain the difference between peace and conflict. Peace. Peace is a state where people feel of any disturbance safe and fearless. Conflict. Conflict refers to disagreement, difference in opinions and agreement. Question number 4. Give some example of common etiquette. Answer. Common etiquettes include greeting people when entering a room, showing good manners, being polite, respecting elders, treating children with kindness, being punctual, apologizing to others if any mistake occurs. All these etiquettes are a sign of healthy and civilized society. Question number 5. What are the behaviors and actions that can avoid conflict? Impact of behavior. The following behaviors can be adopted to maintain peace and to avoid conflict in the society. First, be caring towards others. Second, appreciate each other's. Third, deal with respect and fairness. Fourth, accept suggestions from others and to deal everyone with justice.